Okay, hi. Today we're doing the naked egg experiment. This experiment is very easy, but it takes 24 hours.
Also, before you touch the vinegar, after you keep your hands in the vinegar, after you drop the egg, you need to wash your hands.
So, these are the stuff you need. You need a spoon, vinegar, 1 or 2 jars, and then the amount of jars you have, you need the same amount of eggs. So you have 2 jars, 2 eggs, 1 jar, 1 egg. Then food coloring if you want. And also if you want, you can have a thing to put them inside. So step 1, take the vinegar and pour it inside the jars, just enough so the egg is submerged. Next, add the food coloring. Put 1 or 2 drops is enough. Then mix with the spoon. They're very vibrant colors. And after that, all you have to do is put your eggs inside. Eggs in the cups and put them in the refrigerator for 24 hours. Hi. Now we've left these eggs over for 24 hours, and at first they don't look so much different, but if you drop it, you can see that they actually bounce. And they also break. So now I'm going to tell you how and why this happens. The eggshell is made out of something called calcium carbonate, and vinegar is an acid. So when you put the egg in the vinegar, the acid breaks up the calcium carbonate and calcium that makes up the shell. Then the calcium carbonate separates into 2 pieces, calcium and calcium carbonate. And the calcium floats free while the calcium carbonate makes bubbles that you see, which are called carbon dioxide.